नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू योर 3 मिनट स्टडी कैप्सूल, जहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 मिनट में मिलेगा आपको द हिंदू का टॉप हेडलाइंस, स्क्रिप्ट्स क्लियर और एग्जाम रेडी। आज है 2 जुलाई 2025 एंड वी आर कवरिंग मेजर नेशनल अपडेट्स। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. First, we will see national affairs and economy. India has introduced the employment-linked initiative scheme with an ambitious budget of 99,000 crore. Its goal to generate 3.5 crore new jobs across the country. Under the scheme, employees receive an incentive of 3,000 per month for every additional employee they hire. GST collection of 1.85 lakh crore, the lowest past 4 months. Now we will see major incident. Telangana pharma plant explosion. A massive blast at pharmaceutical faculty in Telangana has claimed 36 lives with 6 individuals still missing. The government has announced 1 crore compensation for the families of deceased. In Tamil Nadu, a chemical explosion at firework unit led to the death of 8 workers with 5 more injured. Investigations are underway as the nation grapples with recurring accidents in unregulated manufacture sector. Governance and policy. Ban overage vehicle in Delhi. In bid to curb pollution, the Delhi government has enforced strict refueling ban. Petrol vehicle older than 15 years, diesel vehicle older than 10 years. These vehicles will no longer be allowed to refuel within the city limits. Automatic number plate recognition cameras will assist in tracking and enforcing the rule. Women night shift policy under review. A new consent-based policy is under government consideration that would allow women to work night shift, provide safety is ensured. This is a part of broader move toward creating more inclusive and flexible work environments. International relations. Quad strategic meeting. India reaffirmed its right to defend itself from terrorism at the recent Quad summit. The focus of the meeting centered on strengthening Indo-Pacific cooperation and enhancing maritime security coordination. A united stance among Quad members signaled continued pressure to maintain a free, open and secure Indo-Pacific region. SBI in the spotlight. SBI celebrates 70 years. The State Bank of India marked its 17th foundation day with nationwide celebration. The bank honored 18 academically exceptional students, reinforcing its mission toward inclusive and community-focused banking. SBI continues to be pillar of India's financial ecosystem, campaigning growth at a grassroots. The spotlight of today is ahead of ministerial meeting. Mr. Jaishankar met his Japanese counterpart and discussed the topic of terrorism. And that's your 10-minute study capsule for July 2nd, 2025. Stay updated, stay informed, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for your daily news dose in just 3 minutes. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.